Did you know that acid reflux currently affects about 10% to 20% of the adult population in the United States and Western countries? In today's video, we will talk about the most common symptoms of gastroesophageal reflux and bring you 5 tips to stop heartburn and acid reflux naturally. Hello, welcome to another video from the Daily Health Boosters channel. Acid reflux is a situation where acid is regurgitated into the esophagus. The main cause of acid reflux is a deficiency of acid in the stomach. Common treatments for acid reflux or heartburn may help someone feel better temporarily, but they are not good long-term solutions. They also come with side effects. So follow this video to the end, because this is definitely important information for you. But first, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed, so you don't miss our health tips, and spread this video to as many people as possible. Acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is a common digestive disorder that occurs when stomach acid and/or bile flow into the esophagus, causing irritation and inflammation in the lining of the esophagus. Gastroesophageal reflux is most often caused by a change in the functioning of the sphincter present between the esophagus and the stomach, and is most common in people who are overweight, eat a high-fat diet, and drink alcoholic beverages frequently. It is important to see a doctor as soon as the symptoms of gastroesophageal reflux appear, because this way it is possible to confirm the diagnosis and start the treatment to relieve the symptoms, which is usually done with the use of medications that decrease the production of acid by the stomach. So now let's see what the main symptoms are. The main symptom of gastroesophageal reflux disease is precisely acid reflux, which can cause an uncomfortable burning sensation in your chest that can move up into your neck and throat. This sensation is often known as heartburn, so if you have acid reflux, you may develop a bitter taste at the back of your mouth. It can also cause regurgitation of food or liquid from your stomach into your mouth. There are also some other GERD symptoms such as chest pain like nausea while swallowing, difficulty swallowing, chronic cough, hoarse voice, and bad breath. Reflux symptoms may appear minutes or a few hours after eating, and may worsen when the person bends down to pick up something on the floor or when lying down right after eating. Constant reflux can cause intense inflammation in the esophageal wall, called esophagitis, which, if not treated properly, can even lead to cancer. While it can be treated with doctor-prescribed medications, there are also natural options that can help relieve the symptoms of acid reflux. Here are 5 tips you can follow daily to get rid of acid reflux naturally and permanently. Number 1. Drink 2 glasses of warm water first thing in the morning before you eat anything. This is a wonderful tip for people suffering from acid reflux. The logic behind drinking warm water first thing in the morning is that when you wake up, your stomach is completely empty. The warm water washes out the stomach walls and increases blood flow. This increased blood flow brings important growth factors that already heal existing erosions or small ulcers in the stomach and also make the stomach walls and esophagus healthy, which helps in regulating acid production. Practice this tip daily, and you will see improvement in your symptoms within 10 days. Number 2. Eat lots of curd. Curd is a wonderful food for people suffering from acid reflux disease. Curd is a dairy product obtained from milk. Milk has a high amount of calcium that prevents the accumulation of acid, eliminating the excess amount, making it an effective home remedy for acid reflux. Number 3. Chew ginger. Acid reflux can be very painful and uncomfortable, especially when you are trying to sleep at night and the pain keeps you awake. For a quick fix, whenever you experience heartburn, consider chewing a fresh slice of ginger root. Ginger root contains powerful phenolic compounds that soothe the tissues in your alimentary canal and stomach lining to relieve inflammation caused by acid. Ginger has been used for thousands of years for its ability to soothe and cure gastrointestinal irritation, nausea, acid reflux, and indigestion. Number 4. Consume probiotics. Probiotics are friendly live bacteria and friendly yeasts that live in the large intestine and aid in the digestion of food. They also produce neurotransmitters for the brain, such as acetylcholine. By producing acetylcholine, these microbes help stimulate the nerves, which control the opening and closing of the valve above the stomach, to make it open when you eat and close when you stop eating. If you have lots of friendly microbes living in your gut, you are less likely to have acid reflux. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is the best known natural remedy for treating indigestion, heartburn, and digestive problems. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar in a tall glass of water and drink this with a straw before each meal. It contains acetic acid, which helps correct the pH of the stomach, helping to better digest food and prevent acid reflux and GERD. Did you like the video? Remember to share it so that more people have access to this knowledge. You can support daily health boosters by subscribing to our channel. We wish you lots of health. See you soon.